3 decades in the past, an incredible engineering achievement of the 20th century came to life, overcoming significant challenges. The $15 billion undersea megatunnel successfully linked 2 highly significant cities worldwide, involving 1,300 workers spanning 50 kilometers beneath the sea and requiring 6 years of construction. This monumental project had been in the planning for centuries. The construction nearly strained relations between 2 countries, and doubts lingered about its completion. This is the story behind the Channel Tunnel, often regarded as the 7th wonder of the modern world. Welcome to Superstructures. Today, we often overlook the Channel Tunnel's significance, making travel from London to Paris a routine task. You just head to St. Pancras Station, catch a train, and find yourself in the heart of Paris in 2 hours, assuming everything is running smoothly. Despite occasional challenges like strikes and flooding, this tunnel has been a reliable link between the UK and France for many years. It's not limited to Paris. The Channel Tunnel connects London to the entire rail network of Europe, simplifying freight transportation. Before the tunnel, the journey from London to Europe involved navigating the unpredictable English Channel weather, taking about 6 or 7 hours by rail and ferry to reach Paris. Now, the same trip takes only a third of the time. Over 20 million people use the tunnel annually, surpassing the combined population of London and Paris. Additionally, it's a lucrative venture for the operating company Getlink, which achieved record-high revenue of 1.4 billion euros in the first 9 months of 2023. The question on many minds is whether those profits are being directed, given the company's private financing. The Channel Tunnel, or affectionately known as the Channel, opened its doors in 1994 after a challenging 6-year construction period. It stood as the world's longest undersea tunnel then and remains the sole physical link connecting London to Europe, comprising 2 main tunnels running side by side and a smaller service tunnel in between for ventilation and access. The Channel's main tunnels are 7.6 meters in diameter, spaced 30 meters apart, and can comfortably accommodate a double-decker bus. Small ducts every 250 meters aid in managing air pressure, reducing aerodynamic drag, and enhancing train speed, stretching 50 kilometers in total, with 38 kilometers beneath the seafloor. The tunnels follow curves to stay within the chalk layer of the channel's bottom. At its deepest point, the tunnel lies 75 meters below sea level. Acknowledging its grandeur, the American Society of Civil Engineers included the Channel among the 7 wonders of the modern world upon its 1994 opening, recognizing its unparalleled achievement in underwater tunnel construction. Connecting the UK to Europe was a long-standing wish, even though there were moments of hesitation. The ties between Great Britain and the continent, shaped by trade and people's movement, have been strong. As far back as 1802, there were talks about a tunnel, but they only wanted it big enough for horse-drawn carriages. Some thought it might be a French trick for invasion, so the idea wasn't well received. In the late 1950s and early 60s, there were bridge and tunnel ideas, and in 1974, UK workers began digging to France. However, the project got cancelled a year later. It wasn't until the 1980s that French President François Mitterrand and British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher decided to build the Channel Tunnel. Facing challenges like high unemployment and economic unrest, the governments lacked funds, leading to the decision for private funding. On the British side, engineers utilized chalk to construct a platform near Dover at the base of Shakespeare Cliffs. Ensuring that the British and French sides would meet in the middle posed one of the most challenging tasks in the Channel Tunnel project. Special lasers and surveying equipment were employed, although uncertainties lingered due to the project's magnitude. By 1990, the tunnel's 2 sides were set to converge, a crucial point where doubts about completing the project loomed large. Despite severe issues with cost, schedule, and safety, in December, the 2 sides of the service tunnel successfully met, validating the technique. 2 workers, 1 British and 1 French, shook hands through the opening, marking the first time in modern history one could walk from Britain to France. Subsequently, in 1991, the 2 main tunnels were connected, and additional elements like crossover tunnels, land tunnels, piston relief ducts, electrical systems, fireproof doors, ventilation systems, and train tracks were incorporated. On December 10, 1993, the inaugural test run successfully traversed the entire Channel Tunnel, and on May 6, 1994, the route officially opened. 30 years since its completion, over 20 million people rely on this remarkable infrastructure annually. The 3 tunnels have effectively connected an entire continent, underscoring the incredible impact of construction. And there you have it, the fascinating journey through the construction and impact of the Channel Tunnel, an engineering marvel connecting nations beneath the sea. Did you find the story of this incredible undersea passage surprising? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of superstructures, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more captivating content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until our next adventure,